back here in our unfamiliar area, just a few clicks outside of Albuquerque. But anyway, we are here with our stove and our dishwasher. This has been stuff that we've been wanting to destroy for quite a while now. We got Boogie here.
Peace.
And as you can see, happy 4th of July, everybody. We have some fireworks now, and this is a 4th of July special. So we have some mortars, and we have these XL Dominator Cracker fireworks. And we're going to start off with these, and then we're going to start off with the mortars, and we will add more mortars as needed. For some reason, there's tons of bees out here, so yeah. But anyway, let's get started.
All right, guys. Make sure you put one firework in there. So this is more stable. Oh God, I hope he doesn't fucking die. Oh shit! Oh damn.
That's it.
That's it. Sheesh. Oh damn.
That's it. Still recording.
A good thing we got those mortars.
Bunch of those little ones inside.
Oh shit.
That's all it is.
It's just a bunch of little ones in there?
Yeah.
Damn.
You're gonna have to send me some of that.
Alright. So we got the mortar. This one we're gonna need some distance for sure.
On the second shelf, or you want to lower the shelf and put it?
I'd say put it as low as possible.
Okay.
Alright. Oh God. This one's gonna be fucking crazy. Run! Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh. Look at it's all busted open. Look at it. Inside.
Some of it's still kind of going. Oh damn. Shit.
Look at the side of how dented it is on the side. How imploded it is.
Oh yeah.
It broke the.
What about the back? Well, you know what that means.
You think too?
Alright, so our little plan here is we're gonna tie 2 mortars. Use this to get it right on the end of this door.
I'm gonna flip it over.
Yeah, so the door is facing the ground. I'm gonna see if we can blow this baby open. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Fucking bees, man.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, there goes Ruben. It's over. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, oh shit. Wait, did both of them go off though? You think?
Oh gosh.
Oh boy. 2 did it. Holy shit.
That thing is. Oh God.
Damn, that thing is. Whew.
Yeah, they both went out. Jeez.
It just goes off again.
Look at it, Justin. The glass, bro.
Oh.
Look how hot that
fuck
is.
That shit, dude. I'm actually afraid it's gonna go off again.
Wow, that was awesome, dude.
That was fucking
That dishwasher
awesome.
doesn't stand a chance.
Oh hell no, that thing is pure plastic. Alright, so our next objective is we're going to put one right here tucked just to blow the rest of it. We'll see what happens. Alright. Oh fuck, dude. Oh, he's having trouble. Oh shit, I almost tripped. Oh. GG's. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Did it do anything?
Yeah, look at the whole front. The whole front.
Oh yeah, that's done.
Is it blown up by that freaking?
More. No. That shit is fucked up. Oh my god. Dude. That thing is polo. Fucking doors coming apart. What, dude? Is it hot?
Justin, I think you put the roast on for too long, man.
I think so. I left the oven on. I left the oven on at home. All right, guys. We got the dishwasher.
Seems how these don't do much. We could just light it here.
Yeah.
So.
They make it look. They make the fucking sticks make it look like it's fucking TNT or some shit, bro.
Actually, still's pretty good.
Ooh. Damn, that's toasty. That's what did it.
Okay, time for a mortar.
Oh yeah.
All right, time for round one for the dishwasher. Justin's gonna go and set that thing off. There's the freaking stove mutilated. Oh god, that thing is annihilated in one shot, Justin. All right, guys. Well, this is the aftermath of the dishwasher and stove. As you can see, the stove is completely annihilated in one shot, into a million pieces. Well, hundreds of pieces. The whole back. We had a gas line that blew, Justin.
Yeah, we did. That's what happens when you leave the Thanksgiving turkey in for too long.
Yep. And here's the dishwasher, completely annihilated and destroyed. Yeah, nothing left of it. So this front plate came off too, but yeah, until then, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys in the next one.